Thank you for your interest in the Dirt Vaporizing Cleaning Company. We are making an effort to stay in touch with the community and various programs. Therefore, we would like to make a donation or contribution to a local church or other nonprofit organization on your behalf. All you have to do is schedule an appointment for one of our services: carpet cleaning, upholstery, mattress, or tile and grout cleaning. If your service bill is $150 or more, we will then donate or contribute 10% of the final bill to the nonprofit organization that you designate. The donation will be based on the actual charges, not including state tax or our minimal travel fee, if any. Stay tuned for the following video that will explain our carpet cleaning process. If you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment, please contact us at 866-448-4899. We may even be able to do the cleaning service for you that day, but we will work with you to schedule the most convenient appointment that we can. Thank you. Hi, my name is Tim. I'm from the Dirt Vaporizing Cleaning Company, and today we're just going to give you a brief introduction as to exactly what we do and how we clean carpets. Our technician will be first applying a pre-spray to the carpet, which is used to actually clean the carpet. It is specifically designed for this type of carpet. There is no one type of solution designed for every type of carpet. So the technician that does your carpet must be well experienced and well versed in the types of carpet that you have, so that the right and the appropriate pre-spray is added. And that's what we're going to do. After he completes the pre-spray, we will then proceed with the cleaning process, steam cleaning, vaporizing your carpet. As you can see, our technician is pre-spraying the carpet with a solution that is made and designed for this type of carpet. This is a high pile, very thick carpet that needs a pre-spray to remove all of the dirts and stains that have become attached to the carpet. It will also mitigate and remove any smells or odors that your carpet may have, from cat odor, dog odor, any type of pet odor, as well as just being on the floor for a long time. After the pre-spray process, our technician will begin to use our machine to clean and extract all the dirt and stains from the carpet. At this point, our technician has completed the pre-spray process and is now cleaning the carpet. It is important to note that while the carpet is being cleaned, it is also being rinsed with a fabric rinse that will remove any of the residue from the carpet cleaning solution, leaving the carpet fresh and clean. This is essential that the carpet is rinsed to remove this residue. This residue, if left in the carpet, will set the stage for the carpet becoming dirty even quicker than it was before. This residue, which is a high pH level residue, will attract dirt instead of repelling it. With the rinse, the carpet is returned back to a neutral or normal pH level of 7.0. This is very important. The machine that we use is a very specialized machine that does an excellent job in cleaning and rinsing the fabric, the carpet, and also extracts the water that is used in the steaming and vaporizing process. This is a high-tech machine that most companies do not use. But here at the Dirt Vaporizing Cleaning Company, we go to the extreme in doing our best to make sure that your carpets are cleaned and refreshed to their maximum level. Now that our technician has completed the cleaning process, we will go over the carpet once more to do a thorough drying. The drying process is done to facilitate a quicker and easier drying and to mitigate and minimize the actual carpet drying time. If anyone tells you that a carpet can be dry within a half an hour to an hour, they are misleading you. The average dry time and our average dry time range anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, and a lot of factors go into that. The thickness of the carpet, the pressure that was used to clean and extract the carpet, as well as the weather temperature. Clear, dry weather conditions are ideal, but in the event that it is raining or snowing even, what is needed is for the temperatures to be cleaned at a much higher temperature. And also, if there's any fans or other ventilation devices available, they will be used also to mitigate and minimize drying times. There is no problems in cleaning carpet in the winter, during snow, or even when it's raining, as long as the proper procedures for drying are utilized and exercised. Hi, we have completed the cleaning process, as you can see, and the carpets are renewed and refreshed and revitalized, and it looks very good. The carpets were not very soiled to begin with. The owner of the property does maintain the carpet, but it was somewhat soiled, and now you can see it's totally refreshed and revitalized. So this is what we do here at the Dirt Vaporizing Cleaning Company. We extract, we clean, and we revitalize your carpets. We certainly hope that you will find a way to use us by giving us a call at 866-448-4899, or you can send us an email to come@cleanmycarpettoday.com, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.